In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on card. If you want to accept payments directly from your card site, the easiest way is to use the built-in widget element. I'll walk you through choosing a provider and setting up the button so it's ready to take payments. Start by signing into your card account and opening the site you want to edit in the builder. Once you're in, look for the plus icon to add a new element to your page. From the menu that appears, choose Widget. This is Card's way of embedding secure checkout services without custom code. In the widget settings, you'll see a field labeled Type. This is where you select the payment provider. Card supports several options. Stripe Checkout is great if you need a polished, hosted checkout for cards and wallets, including subscriptions. Gumroad and other options are ideal for selling digital products with delivery built in. For this example, we'll use PayPal. Select PayPal, then open the Action section. Action defines what the button actually does. Next, fill in your item details. Give the item a clear name customers will recognize and set the amount in the correct currency. Keep the label concise and double-check pricing to avoid rounding surprises. You'll also see optional fields for completion URL and cancel URL. The completion URL is where buyers are sent after a successful payment. Use a thank you page or a download page if you deliver something immediately. The cancel URL handles visitors who back out mid-checkout. Sending them to your main page or a help section can reduce drop-offs. Enter your PayPal merchant ID to link the button to your account. You can find this in your PayPal business settings. Using the merchant ID helps protect your email from being exposed on the page. When everything looks good, click Done to save the widget. Give the page a quick preview to confirm the button appears and the action is set, then you're ready to publish.